Welcome back, young mathematicians. Today, we're going to learn about subtraction. Subtraction means taking away or finding the difference between numbers. Before we start, let's learn how to count backwards from 10. Counting backwards is very important when we subtract. Let's practice counting backwards from 10. Ready? Let's start. Let's count together. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job! Counting backwards helps us to subtract easily. Let's try it again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome! Now let's use this skill to solve some subtraction problems. Let's start with a simple one. What is 5 minus 2? To find the answer, we'll use our fingers. We'll raise 2 fingers because that's the smaller number, and then we'll count backwards from the bigger number, which is 5. Ready? Let's raise our 2 fingers together. Great job raising your fingers. Now let's go. Start with 5 and count backwards. 5, 4, 3. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Great job. Let's try another one. What is 8 minus 3? Which number is smaller, 8 or 3? That's right. 3 is smaller. Remember, we use the smaller number to show how many fingers we raise. So we'll raise 3 fingers and count backwards from 8. Ready? Let's raise our 3 fingers together. Excellent. Now let's do it together. Start with 8 and count backwards. 8, 7, 6, 5. So 8 minus 3 is 5. Awesome! You're doing great. Now let's try 7 minus 4. Which number is smaller, 7 or 4? That's right, 4 is smaller and 7 is bigger. So we'll raise 4 fingers and count backwards from 7. Ready? Let's raise our 4 fingers together. Wonderful! Here we go. Start with 7 and count backwards. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So 7 minus 4 is 3. Excellent! Next, let's see what 9 minus 5 is. Which number is smaller, 9 or 5? Yes, 5 is smaller and 9 is bigger. So we'll raise 5 fingers, because that's the smaller number, and then we'll count backwards from the bigger number, which is 9. Ready? Let's raise our 5 fingers together. Fantastic! Let's count backwards together. Start with 9 and count backwards. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So 9 minus 5 is 4. Great job. You're doing so well. Let's try 6 minus 2. Which number is smaller, 6 or 2? Yes, 2 is smaller, so we'll raise 2 fingers and count backwards from 6. Ready? Let's raise our 2 fingers together. Perfect. Let's go. Start with 6 and count backwards. 6, 5, 4. So 6 minus 2 is 4. Well done. One more to go. What is 10 minus 3? Which number is smaller, 10 or 3? Yes, 3 is smaller. Remember, we use the smaller number to show how many fingers we raise. So we'll raise 3 fingers and count backwards from 10. Ready? Let's raise our 3 fingers together. Great! Let's count together. Start with 10 and count backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7. So 10 minus 3 is 7. Excellent work. Fantastic job, everyone. Remember, when subtracting, use the smaller number to show how many fingers you raise and count backwards from the bigger number. You've done an amazing job today with subtraction. Keep practicing, and you'll keep getting better and better. Thank you for joining me today. Remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more fun math lessons. See you next time, and keep up the great work. Bye for now.